morning, students. Today we create task scheduler. Then welcome to the in app.js. I already create these things, and then we go for task scheduler. RFC. In this RFC, we create 5 tasks in here. CSS header, in this header h1 task scheduler, and after that inside the main we create one div. Inside the div, input this type of input we don't need. In this input, we create type is equal to text. Then value should be task, placeholder should be enter task, then on change arrow function set task target.value. Okay, one more target, one more thing. Inside this we change into date. We don't need for this thing. Here deadline, in this here deadline set. Okay, we need button. In button, on click, one function we will be called add task, and in between there I will create select. Inside the select we have value is priority, and then one more thing, on change. We think copy here, pasted for remove the task and priority, and option value top priority. This is option number 1. Copy. Option 2, option 3. Second is middle, middle. Middle. Inside middle, here instead of top we write middle, and instead of top we can write low priority. Okay, This is after this we close this div. After this one I create one h2 for upcoming tasks. Inside there we create one div. Inside div table. Inside table t head tr. Inside tr th. Th should be task name. Copy this 1 2 3. Instead of task name we put priority deadline and action. Okay. In T body we come for T body. Inside T body we create a function dynamic, making dynamic upcoming task dot map. Inside map T, then tr, making dynamic. That's why we create these things. Tr. Inside tr we create one key. Key should be t dot id, and then td. Inside td t dot task. Function close. Same function copy one more time, 3 times. We need 4 times for actioning. Here remove the task for priority. Then deadline. Here action. T does not equal to done. And operator. Inside and we create button. Inside the button we have one function on click. Function should be arrow function. Inside arrow function we create mark done dot id. For making this, inside the button we write mark done. Okay, we close this div tag. Again copy, same thing. We go for upcoming. Here h2 completed task. COMP sorry, we forget T. Here task name. Action should be, we not need action because completed time we don't need for action, and we remove this action for deleting. Then completed task, completed task, completed task, completed task, completed task. We export it, then we go for functions. First function is const add task equal to arrow function. In this function, if task dot trim equal to empty or deadline equal to empty, then we print, sir, please alert message, alert please enter a task and select a valid deadline, and then go for return, return, then close this. We create const selected date equal to new date deadline. Also we apply deadline for the we also messaging and date deadline. Okay na? Instead of select we write current current date. Okay na? Same procedure, if condition, we copy this same function, that's why we copy this easily. Select it greater to less than current date, then alert message, please select a future date. Students, pay attention, because why we create current date and this date? Because we need, if in past we can do any task, is no, that's why we create these things. Easily understand, pay attention for these things. Simply say, sir, const tasks is equal to id tasks dot length plus 1 comma task priority deadline and done dot false. Then set task is inside the array function dot tasks comma new tasks wait for a minute. First complete this thing, na? Set priority top, set task empty, set deadline this is written for this is written for this. Oh, sorry. Okay, I will write wrong way, that's why you saying these things. Thank you for understanding. Thank you. We complete this. Where is then create one const mark done equal to id arrow functions. Here inside the arrow functions const updated tasks equal to task dot map, inside the map t dot id equal to id question mark spread operator done tr true :t. Okay, after this set completed task updated tasks. Okay, then one more condition also there, completed task const completed not task is equal to task dot find t inside the t dot id, finding the id. For why we finding the id? Because if task is done, after that we need these things. If completed task set completed task in array format, spread operator or rest operator, okay na? Then we go for first upcoming task is equal to tasks dot filter. Filter is a function in array methods. Not equal to t dot 10. I will correct it. Sorry students, pay attention here. For I will write the return keyword in outside the if block. That's why its error is coming. I put it here correct way. Then I will show the output. You can easily understand top priority, last priority, date. It's working. And again I will less priority, grade 20, mark it, done it. Okay, you can understand. Thank you for listening my classes. Thank you students.